I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Telegram and check archived and saved messages. Many chats are hidden there rather than deleted. Also confirm whether the conversation was a secret chat, because secret chats are device-only and cannot be recovered from Telegram Cloud. If another person was in the conversation, ask them to export or forward the messages. Once done, note which recovery path you can use: local backup, exported file, or a copy from the other participant, and prepare the device for the next steps. If you have a device backup that predates deletion, restore that backup and keep the device offline until Telegram syncs to preserve older data. This recovers cloud and local app files. If you previously exported chats via Telegram desktop, import or open the exported file and locate the conversation there. If neither exists, consider file recovery software for local app storage on Android or iOS. But understand recovery chances drop quickly and require root or image access. Proceed carefully to avoid overwriting recoverable data. After restoring a backup or retrieving an exported file, sign into Telegram and let it complete a full sync. Make sure you do not reinstall or update the app first, because that can prompt fresh sync and remove local traces. If another participant still has the chat, ask them to export or forward the messages. This is often the fastest fix. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery fails, stop using the device immediately and consult a specialist or professional recovery tool to avoid overwriting deleted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.